Do you want a website but don't know how to code, don't want to hire a developer, and definitely don't want to spend money? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to create a professional looking Wix website for free in just 8 minutes. No experience needed, no credit card, and no complicated setup. By the end of this video, you will learn how to make your own website in Wix. But before we start, we can go ahead and introduce you to Wix itself. So Wix is a cloud-based website builder that lets anyone create a professional website without coding. It offers an easy drag and drop editor, hundreds of customizable templates, built-in SEO tools, websites, all managed from one platform and designed to help users get online quickly and easily. So with that in mind, let's get started. Step 1. Go to Wix and sign up. You're gonna have to open your preferred browser and type in wix.com on the search bar. Choose the first option that pops out and enter their website. Once you're there, click on Get Started and navigate to the Sign Up option. You can sign up using Google, Facebook, Apple, or your email. So choose whichever option you prefer. And just to be clear, this is 100% free without a credit card required. Then once that's done, you can proceed to the next step. Answering Wix's questions. After signing up, Wix will ask you a few questions about the type of website you want. You can answer them honestly, or if you're in a rush, just skip them. This helps Wix recommend templates, but you don't have to worry since you will be able to change everything later. So for now, let's choose how to customize our site. And let's go with a manual setup without using chat. Describe what your site or business would be in a few sentences. You could type that in or just choose from the available options below. Then enter a name for your site along with the goals on what you want to do inside the site you're going to publish. Then finally, for this step, you can add apps that could help your site to reach these goals, from bookings, blogs, stores, up to Instagram feeds, music, donations, and much more. Before proceeding, you can review your answers to see if it's really what you want, and so you don't have to do this process another time later, allowing you to focus on building and making your site in general. The third step is to prepare your account. Now, after answering those questions, Wix will show you the following subscriptions you can use to help you with website building. But not to worry, you can still make a website without getting any of these. Just find the Book a Demo option and press the X button on the top right, which should just bring you to Wix Studio. While we want to go back to wix.com to log in again, we can either search for that in another tab, but you can still do it here. You'll find a product drop-down option and there you'll see the design feature. Then go to start creating and finally choose the go to wix.com option. You'll finally be able to enter your dashboard where you can see more of the account setup. You don't have to do this right now and can directly just start making a website. But if you want to, it's always available as an option anytime. And if you're wondering if you need a domain to make your website, then don't worry, you don't. A domain is simply the web address people use to visit your website, where in Wix, the domain's main purpose is to make your site easier to remember, look more professional, and help with branding. The fourth step is to choose a free template. Of course, you could always just make your own manually or even generate a site design, but it may take a bit more time. So since we're doing this in a rush, we can go ahead and choose from the available templates. So open up the left bar by pressing on expand on the little arrow, go to site and mobile app, website overview, then website. Here you'll be able to see all available templates free to use and according to how you answered the first few questions Wix asked you. So explore from the broad catalog that Wix has and choose whichever design you would like your website to look the most. You can view each one first to see what they look like, but once you decided, you can always just edit the website in whatever way you want. So to do that, just press on the edit button in front of the template you want to use. So again, remember, you will not be stuck with the design. Colors, text, images, and pretty much everything inside the template can be edited, which will bring us to our next step. Understanding the Wix editor. Here you are introduced to many tools, from adding elements and sections to uploading your own media and making use of it for your website. So it's expected that everything you're going to use to edit and make your quick website will all be found on the left panel. But for this video, we'll be focusing on the first 4 tools. First of all, the elements. This is where you'll spend most of your time editing your website. It's full of tools that are simple to use, which can change what you're doing in any way you'd like. You can add text with a broad catalog of fonts, add images either from Wix or your own media, or even add buttons that will help your website be more interactive. So explore one of their most powerful tools to its extent or as you please. Now, the next powerful tool after the elements are the sections, to keep your site clear and organized for your visitors. You can use them to organize information and content and create a site that's easy to navigate. Sections also allow you to easily rearrange your site's look and layout. You can drag sections up and down your page, adjust and customize their design with great ease, choose from the available categories in this tool, and create a website that can make your viewers feel more immersed. The next tool on the list will be what controls the site pages and menus. So site pages are the individual pages of your website that you manage. In this tool, you can add, rename, hide, reorder, and delete pages to structure your site. Then the menu, or the site menu on the other hand, is a navigation element on your website that lists your site pages, or page sections on one-page sites, so visitors can easily move between them. And for the last tool that you'll most likely be using for this session is the site design. From here, you can customize the overall design of your site. So there are 4 settings you can adjust from this panel: the color theme, text theme, page background, and of course, page transitions. You'll finally be ready to alter your website into whatever's in your mind, which is going to be the main idea of our next step: editing and adding final details to the website. So click on any text, image, or section to customize it. Update content, change fonts, adjust colors, and replace placeholders with real photos. Use Wix's drag and drop editor to move, resize, and arrange elements exactly how you want. Add interactive features like buttons, contact forms, galleries, and menus to make your site functional and engaging. And of course, don't forget to make use of the tools you just learned. You can add elements that weren't already in the website just in case you feel like something is missing, or if you just want to add more details into your site. But make sure you do this neatly and properly, as a cluttered website will make your visitor just click off the site entirely. So make sure to always put in mind what your visitor would prefer and what they'd be pleased with, if that is your goal, of course. So with that in mind, you can also remove unnecessary elements and features in your website that you'll find while reviewing, which is going to be our next step. Reviewing the website. Here you'll see what your site will look like when published both on desktop and mobile. So you can do this by navigating yourself to the preview button that is found beside the publish option on the top right corner of your editor. You can scroll around your said site and explore by yourself to see if there are any details you'd like to change or add. Here you can also make sure all the interactive features of your site works properly and doesn't cause any problems to the visitor. You even have the option to switch your view between what your site would look like on a desktop and what it would look like on a mobile view. You can do this by switching between the 2 icons found on the top left corner of the preview page. So finalize everything here, since this is where you could get a complete POV on what your site would look like from a visitor's perspective. But if anything seems wrong, maybe you want to change or tweak something in the site, just switch back to the editor by pressing the Back to Editor button, which is still found beside the Publish button, the button that will help us proceed to our next step: publishing the website. Once you're happy with your website and how it looks like, click Publish at the top right. Wix will confirm your site address, and then you'll have the option to finish setting up the site. Or you can copy the new address for your website and paste it to any browser search bar, so you can take a look at what you've created. But there is a View Site option that will bring you to another tab. You can press that instead of doing the other process. And just like that, your website is live, all without doing any coding, for free and in 8 minutes. But that's pretty much all for this video. That's how you create a Wix website for free in around 8 minutes. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and comment what kind of website you're building. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.